Good morning, student. So, my name is Vishwanath Malik. I am your science teacher. So, today I am going to start your 7th standard first chapter in science, nutrition in plants. So, please write down the topic name, nutrition in plants. So, nutrition in plants. So, first we have to clear the concept of what is the nutrition in plant. So, before going to nutrition of a plant, so I'll remember your sixth standard. Already you read about the food. Okay. So, food is the uh, food is the main important things in our body because food provide energy of our body, so it is essential for the both plant and animal. So nutrition in plant. So first of what is nutrition? So first we will discuss about what is nutrient. Okay, nutrient. So nutrient, the basic substance which is require growth and health of our body are called nutrient. So example, what are the nutrients? Suppose carbohydrate. So what are the carbohydrate? So it is the all are come under which are the sweet food such as rice, wheat, maize. These are come under carbohydrate. Fat. So all oily food such as sunflower, groundnut. These are come under fat food. Then protein. So protein such as moong dal, paneer, ghee, milk. So these are come under protein. So you only to have clear about nutrient. So the basic substance which require growth, sorry, growth and health of our body are called nutrient. So example, what are the nutrient? So carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamin, mineral. So these are the called so the nutrient of our body. These are basic needs. So again then come to what is nutrition. So what is nutrition? No doubt. Okay. So the process of consuming food are called nutrition. Okay. So the process of consuming means way of taking food. Okay. So the process of consuming food are called nutrition. Okay. So again write down. So mode of nutrition. What? Mode of nutrition. Mode of nutrition. Mode of nutrition. So we now mode of nutrition means the way of taking food. Okay. So only plant are the only plant can prepare their food by themselves, or other organism like human and animal, they cannot prepare their food. So they directly or indirectly depend upon the plant. So according to this, the mode of nutrition are two types. What there are? So first one is the autotrophs. Autotrophic. Okay, autotrophic nutrition. Second one is the heterotrophic nutrition. So the mode of nutrition, mode means the way. Okay, so many different ways there to taking up food inside our body. So second, the mode of nutrition means the way of taking food inside our body. So the mode of nutrition are divided into two types. First one is the autotrophic nutrition. Second one is the heterotrophic nutrition. So first we will discuss what is autotrophic nutrition. So auto means self. Okay. Trophic means nutrition. Okay. So auto means self. Okay. And trophic means nutrition. So in this mode of nutrition, organism they prepare their own food with the help of inorganic raw material such as sunlight. Okay, so example, only plant and all green plant and bacteria are come under autotrophic nutrition. So again write down autotrophic nutrition. In this type of nutrition, organism prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Okay, so autotrophic nutrition means in this type of nutrition, organism prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. So example, autotrophic nutrition, example, all green plant and some bacteria. Okay, all green plant and some bacteria are come under autotrophic nutrition. So before you now all how the plant are the only one organism, they can prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. So what are the example of autotrophic nutrition? All green plant and some bacteria. So can you observe in plant? So all green plant they prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. But we are not human being and animal. We cannot prepare our food we are depend upon for our food in others. Okay, so autotrophic nutrition is over. So write down photosynthesis. Okay, so first we will discuss what is photo and what is synthesis. Okay, photo means light. Okay, photo means light. Then synthesis means in prepare. Okay, so prepare. Okay, so photo means light and synthesis means lies. Synthesis means prepare. So photosynthesis it is a process of preparing food with the help of sunlight, chlorophyll, and some mineral from the ground. So now we will discuss the process of photosynthesis, how it is happen. So all of you draw a diagram of a tree. Okay, so in that tree, okay, suppose think this is a leaves. Okay, and this is the sun. Okay, so what will happen, the in a, this is a plant. In plant water is there, yes or no? Water is there, soil is there, mineral is there. Okay, so what will happen, plant take carbon dioxide. Okay, so carbon dioxide is present in the atmosphere. So plant first what will happen, sunlight is there, then carbon dioxide is also present in the atmosphere. Take carbon dioxide and it releases what, oxygen. So this oxygen we are taking in our process of breathing. Okay, so this oxygen again we are taking for the breathing. So how the photosynthesis will happen? So in that leaves. Okay, so what will happen, think. Okay, so okay, so this is the structure of leaves. Okay, so in leaves what will happen, some green like pigment is there. Okay, so these are called chlorophyll. Okay, so what will happen, so what is photosynthesis? Okay, so it is a process of preparing food. Okay, what it is called, process of making food. Okay, so it is called it is a process of making food. Okay, so what will, how plant can prepare their food? So what will happen, so green plant is there, so what will happen, sunlight. Okay, so plant take sunlight and carbon dioxide. Okay, sunlight plus carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and ground. Okay, mineral, water, soil also are present. So in that they using all these things, what will happen, it produces, okay, carbon dioxide plus, okay, carbohydrate. So carbohydrate is a food. Okay, so it is a food which we are using for our we are getting energy from this food. Okay, so it is over. In doubt, if you have a doubt, you can ask me in the doubt class. Okay, so now we'll read it. Okay, so just remember this. What is the concept of photosynthesis? Concept or equation. Okay, equation. equation of photosynthesis. So how the process of photosynthesis will be happen? So what will happen? First, carbon dioxide, okay, CO2, okay, plus water, H2O, in the presence of sunlight, okay, sunlight and chlorophyll. In the presence of carbon dioxide plus water, okay, so in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, it releases carbohydrate plus oxygen, okay. So this is the called, okay, this is called it is a food. So this food we are taking in our process of breathing, okay. Now come to heterotrophic nutrition, okay. Second, heterotrophic nutrition. Okay, so hetero means other, okay, hetero means other. Nutrition means, trophic means nutrition. So heterotrophic nutrition, hetero means other, trophic means nutrition, okay. So in this type of mode of nutrition, the all organisms are depend upon their food, okay. So it is depend upon the green plant, so they cannot prepare their own food. So example, okay, right, wait. Okay, in this type of nutrition, organism depend upon green plant for their food. So heterotrophy means hetero means other, okay, trophy means nutrition. In this type of nutrition, organism depend upon green plant for their food. So example, so what who are there heterotropics? So human, yes, we are cannot prepare our food. We are for our food we are depend upon the plant. Then animal, bacteria. So these are come under the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Okay. So again so first the mode of nutrition is two types. One is autotrophs. So just remember previous classes. Okay. Autotrophic nutrition, heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition who are there? So all green plant, some bacteria are come under autotrophic nutrition. So heterotrophic nutrition who are there? So who does not prepare their food, depend upon the other organism. Okay. So what are there? Human being, animal, okay, human being, animal and bacteria, they are heterotrophic nutrition because they cannot prepare their food. So for their food, they directly or indirectly depend upon the plant for their food. So heterotrophic nutrition is over. So now heterotrophic nutrition are divided into so many types. Okay, so just draw this heterotrophic nutrition. Okay, so there is so many types. Okay, okay. So first what is, so first is a herbivorous. Herbivorous. Second one is a carnivorous. Third one is a omnivorous. Fourth one is a parasite. Fourth one is a saprophyte. Okay, saprophyte. Third one is a, sorry, sixth one is a insectivorous. So the heterotrophic nutrition are different types. First one is herbivorous, second one is carnivorous, third one is omnivorous, fourth one is parasite, fifth one is saprophyte, and sorry, sixth one is insectivorous. Okay, so one by one, please make this like a concept map. Okay, so one by one we will discuss first what is herbivorous, come to herbivorous. Okay, herbivorous. Okay, so the organism, the animal that eat, okay, only plant and plant product. Okay, are called herbivorous. Example. Okay, so example you can take. So tell me the animal that eat only plant and plant product. Okay, so the animal that eat only plant product are called herbivorous. Example, cow. So cow is a herbivorous, they only eat grass, it is a plant product. So giraffe, okay, giraffe also herbivorous. Then buffalo, okay, goat, okay, goat in your village. Okay, so goat are come under so herbivorous. Okay, then come under carnivorous. Okay, the animal that eat only flesh or meat, okay, are called carnivorous. Okay, so the animal that eat only flesh or meat, okay, chicken, so are called carnivorous. Okay, tell me some example of carnivorous who are eating only chicken. So it is a tiger, okay, then lion, then eagle, okay, So they are okay. So the animal that eat only flesh or meat, okay, flesh or chicken, okay, are called carnivorous. Example: tiger, lion, eagle come under carnivorous. Okay, right, third one. So omnivorous, the animal cell, okay, that eat both, okay, both plant and flesh are called omnivorous. Okay, so the animal that eat, okay, eat both what? So plant and flesh are called omnivorous. Okay, so the animal which eat both plant product and animal product. Okay, so chicken is a plant product or animal product. So chicken is a animal product. So tell me some example of omnivorous. Example: human. We are eating both vegetables then chicken. So we are omnivorous. Okay. So example what? Human. Okay. Then monkey. Okay. Monkey also eating both plant product and animal product. Okay. Monkey. Then so many examples is there. You can write red. Okay. Red also